Welcome, my friend. My name is Chris, and this practice is here to guide you into deep, steady breathing to ease stress and calm your nervous system. For the next few minutes, let your breath become fuller, slower, and spacious. This is your time to soften. Now get comfortable and take one deep inhale through the nose and a long exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Now let's begin. We'll start with a 4-count inhale through the nose deep down to the bottom of your belly, then a 4-count exhale out the nose just like this. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep it going. Taking in more air than you normally would, breathing wide into your rib cage. Let the regular rhythm of the breath begin to quiet the mind. Let your breath be the anchor that steadies your whole system. With each inhale, feel your body expand. With each exhale, feel it soften. We're now going to move into a longer exhale for 8 counts, just like this. In, out, in, out, in, out. In, out. Let tension drain out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Exhale and drop deeper. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Long exhale, deep calm. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. We'll now go into our third round and inhale for 8 counts, exhaling for 8 counts as well, remembering to let the inhale really expand throughout your belly, ribs, and chest like this. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, let the inhale open you. Out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Each breath deepens your calm. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, slow rhythm, deep peace. Out. In, out. In, out. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm now. No counting, simply allowing the body to breathe on its own. Feel the softness you've created settling through you. Let your whole system rest in this quiet, steady calm. Stress dissolves when you give your nervous system space to breathe, and you can return to this practice anytime you need a reset. Thank you for being here with me today, my friend. May your breath carry peace into the rest of your day.